In today's video, I'll show you how to add a voiceover to your Instagram Reels. Whether you've recorded your reel directly in the app or uploaded a video from your gallery, Instagram lets you easily add a voiceover afterward, and I'll walk you through the steps. First, open Instagram and swipe right to access the camera. Tap Reel at the bottom, then either record a new reel or select an existing one. Once you've got your video, tap Next in the bottom right corner. At the bottom, tap the audio icon. To remove your original audio, drag the camera audio slider all the way down. Now, click on Add Audio option and tap VoiceOver at the bottom of the screen. Press and hold the record button to narrate over your video. Once you're done, tap Done. If you're not satisfied, no worries. You can tap Edit, delete the voiceover, and re-record until you get it just right.
And that's it.
You've now successfully added a voiceover to your Instagram Reel. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,